aming Philippines. Ayan guys, ayan, mag-o-open tayo ng your patty. So, ang aking anak, anong siya? So, we're going to unboxing her patty. Come on, let's go!
1, 2, 3, come on!
Okay, so look. What? So, oh, no, not finished yet. Not finished. Put them together, dali. Not finished yet. Go ahead. Excited na yung anak mo. Hindi pa tapos. It's not finished yet. Put it back. Yay! Not finished yet. Uy, nahulog! Alam niya kung saan. We're not done yet. So, give me a second. Tindog sa. Tindog sa ingkod. Tindog. Naog. Ay, gina ako. Naog. Get out from your patty. We're not done yet. Ito yung ginawa namin, guys. Sinundan lang namin tong step na to. So, yung baby ko, alam niya kung saan ilagay. Kasi tinitingnan din niya to kanina. How to assemble. Look at your anak. She's so excited. Okay, give me a
When it's
second.
warm, just 2 minutes.
Now, you're ready to put? Oy! Ang galing anak kong gamay. What's that? Toilet. A toilet? Okay. So, how's your patty? Unsa naman ni? Paano? Kakangudngud ko na ngudngud. Ala. Yeah, give me a second. Kakangudngud ko. Nasira, guys. Nasira. So, yan. Didikitan lang yan ng asawa ko mamaya. Yeah. She's so excited. Meron na siyang sariling para sa bathroom namin. So, meron pa kaming in-order na isa. Dalawa to. Para sa aming bahay. At saka para dito sa amin. Look at her. She's so happy. Lagay ko na doon sa bathroom namin. Give me a second. Yes, give me a second, my love. Yeah, give me a... Yeah, I know. Yes, I know. Kulit. Ang kulit. Yan, so, hindi pa naman kami tapos mag-assemble because of this. Ito na lang ang kulang. Meron pa naman kaming iba ng mga tools, pero in case of masira ba or kailanganin. So, meron pa kami iba dito. Yeah, in case... Oh, boy! Nahulog na. My baby, she's so excited. She want... At least happy siya and she's excited to use it. Diba? English yun, guys. Yes, we're here. So, this is it. No, we're going to answer that because this is open. It's dangerous. What if we're going to hulog. So, see? Look at her. Oh, diba?